Alright guys, I'm back. Today is May 16th, 2019. Just want to kind of give y'all a little update on the Highlander and where we're at with it. So far, from my previous videos, I've got all this piece welded in now. It's structurally back together. Just got to do a little touching up on the inside fender wall, do some seam sealing in there. Then that'll be done. As a reminder, some of y'all might not have seen any of my other videos. I'll put a picture of it in here so you can see the before. Alright, now what's going to happen today hopefully is the FedEx man should be bringing me the fender. That's going to be, I got it from carparts.com. It was one of the cheapest ones online. It didn't cost me but $80. That's with shipping. So we're going to unbox it, see what it looks like. I'm going to bring it out here, I'm going to mock it up, see if all the body lines and all that stuff fits well on it. And if that's good, then I'll move forwards. I'll get the hood, the headlights. I think we get 2 new aftermarket headlights, the bumper, the grill, start putting all the car back together, and then we'll start on the mechanicals. Alright, I'll be back as soon as that FedEx man gets here. Alright, there it is. Let's unbox it, see what we got. Overall, there it is. So I'm going to try to get it all bolted up and see what it looks like. Alright, got it bolted on. You see it's pretty straight along there. I got all 3 of the bolts in it. And a door gap. That's looking pretty good. So, I'm gonna call this one a victory. Like I said, I got that from carparts.com for 80 bucks. Most places wanted $230 just for the fender. So we're gonna take it as that. Next video will be of the hood and some of the front end parts. I still do need to put that bracket. It goes right here and it comes around and it helps form the headlight bucket. So now that I've got the fender, I actually can weld that piece in right here so that this all be stable. It won't wobble right here in the front. But for the most part, that's it of this part. To the next one, y'all be good.